Yo, what's up, guys? Keep me a chill here, and welcome back to Capsule Treasure Tracker. One thing I noticed is if you wait too long for the main menu, you actually get this, which is pretty cool. I did kind of notice that. Today we're gonna be continuing Capsule Treasure Tracker. Last time we did the last 10 levels and we killed it. Today, let's go ahead and check this little. I think it's a cutscene, I believe. So let's go ahead and check it out real fast. Yes, it is. Alright. Not move anything, by the way, so. Let's see what we got. What, just chilling? Yeah, a bird out of nowhere. Alright. Alright, it feels pain, man. You have all that time work. And you get all stressed out and whatnot. Anyway. Go ahead and do it. Piranha Creeper Cove. Alright. Okay, come on, alright. No way I can move this forward. I don't think I can, but. Alright, let's go ahead. Get on this. Got it. Just wait. Try to swim a little bit. Gotta wait a little bit. Boom. Wait a little bit. Boom. Alright, get the first gem. Please swim faster, man. Not good. Alright. Wait. Alright. That's probably just bagging wet. Alright. Oh crap. Oh, dodge. Alright. How do we just... There you go. Alright, that doesn't do anything, but... Okay, what did that do? Man, I almost got hit. I saw that. Alright. What's this? Like a cool secret or something? Yeah, secret. We already got all three of them. Jeez. What was the first one, the second one, or whatever that? I feel like I already gotten two. How did I say about last video? Last video, I thought I already got like 2 gems or whatever. I got 3 apparently. Alright. Whatever, we got it. Alright, Verity Wool swimming hole. Or Verity Wool. Alright, let's immediately go to this pipe. And we get one. Okay. And good bait. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'll take that, that's sure. I can't get that apparently. Let's go to the blue pipe. I see something over there. Alright, cool. Oh, hold on. There you go. 2. Third one should be somewhere. Oh, there it is. Alright, we gotta wait though. Yeah, I gotta wait. Alright. Oh, snap. I didn't see the bird over there. Alright. I didn't even see the bird over there. Alright, it's fine. Come on. Oh god. Hurry up. Okay. There you go. Let's go to here. Pow. Okay. Where's the last one? Okay, the last one's over there. Oh, I see what you do. Okay. So we need to go back there. Wait though. There you go. And right here. Boom. It has that. It kind of that little like da song kind of reminds me of Zelda. That da na 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 Zelda thing. Is this a secret right here? No, it's the end. Okay. Cool. Little Toady. He sounds so. I'm gonna be honest. He sounds kind of cute when he celebrates like that. All right. Turn up Canyon Jungle. Time for adventure. Let's get it. Right, let's go ahead and wait. Oh, we can just shoot this, whatever. And it's had like infinite amount of hits. Okay, is anything over here though that we need? Or whatever? We need gems or whatever. I'll take that. Where's the last one though? Is it right over here? No? Okay. Okay, behind us. Oh, there is. Purple pipe over here. Oh god, it's match tricky though. This gas is gem. That's exactly what I need. Appreciate it. And we out. Alright, and got him. That's actually a really easy level. If you just the fact that it has like what, infinite like shots or whatever. That's crazy. Clearly only using one shot. Okay, we'll get that real fast. No crap, I didn't mean to. I did the course. I didn't mean to go there. Alright, there you go. I meant to hit this. Alright. Let's go into this one since we went to the one with the hammer last time. Back. But this one's pretty good. I feel like personally the hammer one's better though. We got a lot of money though than last time. 268 baby. Yes sir. Yes sir. Alright. Okay. The next one. Onward, Toad. Not Captain Toad, just Toad. Pop up Perry, whatever. Whatever that says, town. You know I can't speak, so. Alright. Oh god. God dang it. You shy guy. There you go. Alright, let's go down. Oh, wait, hey, I need to see you. I mean, not really, since I played this game before. I know your secrets. But thank you anyway. Okay, what did that do? Seriously, what did that do? Oh, this part. Okay. Okay. How am I doing? Western type of way. Come on, Shaggy, get over here. There you go. Oh, that's actually what I need. Thank you. Yes. Oh, I think I missed my opportunity to get the gem because I think I have to wait. Never mind. There you go, and then I thought we had to go down. Wait, where is this at? Where is this at? Hold on, if I go down... I think I missed my... No, it's right here. Okay. Yeah, okay, Nintendo. You're being a little sneaky, bro. I was wondering, I was like, what the hell? Where... Nice jam. Okay, so we got this one, and then... We'll go up there. And then we'll get the star. Bow. Alright. Yeah. Hope you guys have yourself a good day, by the way. Sorry, chilling. I'm kind of pre-recording this right now. The day before I upload this. So yesterday I'm recording this. I saw the new. By the way, I saw the new tour. I actually uploaded, or I didn't upload, but I saw the new tour they're gonna give from Mario Kart Tour. It looks amazing, by the way. Cool. We have like a returning track. We have P Piranha as a character. Really excited for that tour. That'd probably be a favorite tour of mine. All right. A couple more left. Drop, road dash. We're gonna go Speedy Gonzalez up in here. Oh god. Alright, here we go. I gotta wait though. Oh god, I had boosters. I do remember this level though. I remember when I was little, I was able to beat this level because of how fast it is. Yeah, I know. It was that hard for me. Alright. Go ahead and wait. Boom. Alright. There you go. Hurry up. Alright. Hurry. Okay, can we... Does it respawn? Please tell me it respawns. Okay, oh. Go, Toad. Run for your life, baby. Alright. I don't need that, but thank you. And I missed that, of course. Okay, this looks hard. Okay. Oh, I missed it. Alright. Oh, never mind. I thought it was too hard. I thought it was gonna be hard, dude. This is easy. I think from like the last part is the one that kind of that was hard for me as a kid. Because when I first did this, I think the last this level was easy for me. But when I first did it, I think like this part right here. I'll show you. This part right here is when I got this stuck. It made me kind of stuck. Alright. So we need to. Alright. Cool, Jukes. Alright, here we go. Okay, that was hard for me when I was little. Really? Because that was easy, man. Wow. Alright. That's actually interesting. That wasn't as hard as I thought it was. Alright, cool. Next one. Bizarre Doors of Boo Mansion. Let's start with a doo-doo Goomba together. Oh yeah, this one involves this. Hey doo-doo Goomba, I don't need you, dude. Alright. Oh crap! Screw you. Okay. How do we get that then? Okay, this involves just puzzles. How do they go this way? There you go. Anything over here? There's a door anywhere? Toad's scared. You hear your voice that's scared. Boy, really that scared? Like, he's turning to Luigi, dude. Like, bro, calm down. Let's get it. Alright. There you go. What's this right here? One up? Okay, mushroom. Alright. We're up here. Where does it lead me to?
Oh, okay. Oh, God, you guys are big boy boos. Can I just eat them? Okay, no, I'm not even gonna risk it. I'm just gonna take Star and dip. Yeah, I'm trying to balls it up and get this defeat the two boos, but nah, I'm good. All right, quick tip. Touchscreen, turn boxes. Okay, I'm on my TV, so that's not gonna affect me. All right, Blizzard on a Star Express. Oh my god, it has like sort of like a remix to Mario World, because I think Mario World has this sort of music. Alright. I actually like this stage. I remember playing this one also when I was little. This is one of my favorite stages also. Along with another stage I mentioned last video, I think. Okay. You still going for me, dude? Alright, there you go. Alright. Let's get it. Yeah, we can pull first, I think. Yeah, we can have one-up mushroom. That's actually kind of cool. I wish it was a star gem instead, but cool secrets. Alright. Come here, Shy Guy. Now. How do I get over there? Oh, I missed my chance, I think. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize it. Look at Toad. Look at Toad. You sleep. You're tired. That's actually kind of funny. But it's Toad. No Toad. We need to explore. Oh crap. Please don't tell me Shy Guy says to me. Okay. Shy Guy, please, dude. Like, can you not right now? Yeah, go that way, dude. I went back here. Just to get this. We haven't got any, what you call it, gems yet, so I'm surprised. I think I missed like one or two, actually. I mean, this is the first one, but... Oh. Duh. Right there. Okay, I missed the second one, though. The first one, though. Actually, I can see, I think I might. I don't know. I mean, where would it be in the very front? Like right here. Shy Guy, if you don't move... okay, you know what? I'm not even risk it. I'll get it in a second. Or not in a second. I'll get it later on. I mean, yes, we're on hunt for gems, but I'm not trying to 100% this game, though. But... what does it do? Nothing. Okay, go back. Yo, this thing almost pushed me, dude. Okay. Go around. Okay, I don't need that, but thank you. Okay, what does this do? What's this? What's this for? Right here. Do I need something? Oh, I think, is there gonna be what you call it? Little turnips or whatever? Oh, you can stop these. I forgot about this. I think you can do it on the gamepad, but you can stop these enemies. It's really kind of useful. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll take that. We are gonna go back though. Hurry! Hurry! Okay. Yeah, that was the third one. I wonder what the first one was. Ah, whatever. Well, let's go ahead and take this star and just dip. Because I don't care about 100% it. Let's get it. Oh, snap. Oh, you big bird. It was at that moment, Toad became a corpse. I'm sorry. I know it's too dark, but I'm just saying. It was at that moment we never saw Toad again. Alright. Operation Rescue Todat. Alright, we're at the boss. Cool. Let's finish it. Episode 2, and we're already at the boss. Let's get it. Oh god, you big bird, brother. Why are you such a big bird? I remember this being, I wouldn't say, it's not hard, but Toad, like, since Toad's like so light, this bird's gonna start attacking like this. Apparently this is an attack. I'm just saying. Then you have some Harry Potter magic going on. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. Got some secrets. Okay, we're fine. Good Toad, just chilling. Okay. Such a dumb. Look at me just chilling. Alright, I'm gonna hold this. Actually, I should have gone this way. Alright. Good. Right here, Super Bird. You throw things at him. I didn't notice that. So scary, saying help. Saying help. Where do we need to go? Okay. Oh crap, okay. Okay, hurry up. Can I throw time? I can. Cool. If anything, that helps. It helps me, if anything. Alright, why don't we go up? How do we go this way? Hold on. Okay, that's the end. Okay, I don't care about that. Okay, go this way. There you go, bird. Why are you so getting scared of a bird, though? That's my question. Why are you... No, come on, bro. You getting scared of a bird? I get you stealing your girl, but... Come on, Toad. Kinda like a Luigi. But how do I get over there? Oh, wait a minute. There's a secret. Okay, there's something over there. I just realized that. Oh. Go. Get that if anything. Oh crap, what happened? Okay. Get down here. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there's a way I can go over there, but I don't think I can. Yeah, I think I can go over there. So, sorry, Gem. Gem left behind. Alright. Well. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it, Toad. Alright. This boss is actually really easy. Like, once you get over here, it actually gets like really easy. Alright, this. Yeah, ciao! Easy money. Got him, dude. Too easy. Oh, you really took away my turn up. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, girl. Oh, my. Oh, crap. You messed up my thing.
Come on, man. Get out of here, bird. Too easy, bro. Too easy. Too fudging easy. Oh, you. Oh, damn, he's dead. Okay, I'm kidding. Let's go, let's go. What if I... Wait, I think we... Yeah, we can do this. Well, okay, what happens if I jump off the thing? Do I start the boss all over again? I might do that one time, where I just jump off the edge and something. I want to see what happens.
Hey. Appreciate it. Appreciate Todat. I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah, we beat the game. I'll see you guys again. I'll see you guys in the next series. I'm kidding. We're not done because I think there's like 2 or 3 worlds, I believe. Hey, look at that. My boy Toad. My Toad got game. He had a little Toad, a little girl, and he out here front and center. There's a girl in the back. Okay. All right. But like I said, we're not done yet. I usually skip this, but yeah, we're not done yet, y'all. We got a couple. I think we got like another world left. So yeah. But yeah, this game is honestly pretty cool. I kind of remember a little bit from when I first played the game. Like I said, when I first played the game, I think that road dash level was the hardest for me, only because like that last part I kept falling every time. And that was when I was little, so I kind of just that was hard for me. And I think the boss in this it wasn't hard, but I didn't have any trouble with it. It was not really hard, but I kind of had just a little trouble. But yeah. 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 Oh snap. Alright, cool. Save, cool, appreciate it. Alright, now like I said, we're not done. Episode 2 is now open. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. Next time we'll be going to episode 2. And yeah, if you guys like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Excuse me. Peace.